Nice.
Hello friends, and welcome back to the Winter Wonderland in Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario. And today we are going to try fat biking for the first time. The weather is just gorgeous and we went to Hiawatha Highlands.
Have you been here in the summer?
Yeah.
So you know that hill where the ski trail is that goes down here? It'll take you down there, and then once you go in a ways, it follows this route.
Sorry for the drama, guys. So we decided to take our bikes just for 2 hours instead of the whole day, as it was our first time. And actually it was perfect. I will share some more details on renting options at the end of the video. And while I'm getting ready to get into my ninja mode, you can hit that subscribe button. I'll appreciate it so much. So a few words about this type of bikes. Fat or snow bikes are bicycles with distinctive fat tires, making them especially designed for biking in the snow. If you would like to bike on the groomed trails, be sure that your tires are wider than 3.5 inch and tire pressure must be less than 10 psi. This will ensure enough flotation not to damage the trails and to provide nice traction. It's good to remember a few simple rules as well. Ride on the firmest part of the skate track, never on the classic track. So the goal is not to damage the ski trails. Do not ride if trails are soft and tires leave ruts. Fat biking is not permitted on Hiawatha Highlands snowshoe trails. As of mid-January 2025, there are currently 9 kilometers of groomed single-track trails available on the Crystal system, and soon we will have our first impressions. And they are not what I would expect. The bike is heavy as hell, especially when you need to push it up.
Like, it's not just me walking. Yay! Whew.
Yeah, I know. I just was telling you about the PCI, the flotation, and the traction, and blah blah blah. Hopefully, I will have it all and the fun will begin right now. Right now we're on the groomed trail and it looks like a little tunnel. If you would like to stop in the middle and to enjoy the scenery, just like me right now, just be sure that you are staying on the left side of the trail and not damaging it. Yep, right now it looks like fun. We had a little technical issue with Artem's saddle, but actually it was fixed right away. And we can continue our ride. And you know what? Another uphill that I cannot ride. Actually, I don't mind walking a little bit and slow down because the area is so beautiful and I hear the waterfall somewhere near to this trail. Actually, someone was walking in here on a very warm weather and just killed this section of the trail. First of all, it is not allowed to walk on the trail when the snow is so soft. You need to use snowshoes. And secondly, we need to respect people who volunteer their time and great effort to keep the trails in such conditions. If you would like to know how the trails are groomed, I will leave the link in the description to this video. Not the coolest way to get on the top, but still I'm there. Looks like we have chosen the perfect day for this ride. Sunny, not that cold, and the views are just amazing.
I believe I need both hands here.
What I understood from my first ride is that it's better to go just in the middle of the trail and don't make any sharp angles on the turns. Or at least I need to learn how to do that.
First fall. Nice. The question is why?
And I was even not filming at that moment. Each time I hear the sound of brakes ahead of me, I know that there will be the downhill.
And here we go, walking again. It's the very left side, so I'm not damaging the trail itself. Somebody is still riding. Go, 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 go! Yay! Pump it, pump it.
I just keep telling to myself that maybe next time, right? Next time. And that's how it looks when I need to grab my camera pretty fast. We made the perfect 9 kilometers on Crystal Trail system. It took us 1 hour of active riding and 2 hours in total. As you can see from my happy face, we enjoyed this adventure a lot. Though pedaling fat bike is not that easy and I was breathing heavily all the time, we had a lot of fun. But let's get back to the renting options. For renting the bikes, I was deciding between the Belarusian and the Hiawatha Highlands. At Belarusian, they have a great price for the day, but we actually needed not just renting the bikes, we needed the trail passes as well. Here you can get passes for the whole winter season for different activities, as well as separate passes for each type of activities, such as Nordic skiing, fat biking and snowshoeing. And after such a great day in winter Wonderland, you can even enjoy the sauna on the territory of Hiawatha Highlands. I will provide all the links in the description to this video, so you can check it out and decide what option will be the best for you. What I know for sure, you need to give it a try. And as for us, we will definitely continue to explore new activities here around Sault. And who knows what will be next. Nordic ski, ice climbing or mountain skiing. We will see. Don't be shy to hit the subscribe button and like this video. And see you on the trails.